Hello. 5 years ago, this channel was making videos under the name Craft Portal by Rachel. And now I am rebranding as portalhouse.co, the website address. The reason for that is that I have a lot of things that I'm now putting under one umbrella. Portal House has a clear focus. Um, I stepped away to build and to learn. A lot of things happened. COVID happened. People came home. I couldn't make recordings. My mom passed away after a cancer journey. Different things happened in the time that I've been away. But also a lot of growth happened. I qualified as a positive psychology coach and also a hypnotherapist, although it's not something that I want to focus on the hypnotherapy because I am a Christian and that's not my focus, but there was valuable lessons in that. What stays on this channel? Um, we are going to do junk journaling, junk journal focus things, journal making, creative prompts, and I also want to, at some point in the future, concentrate on what I call emotional restoration through journaling, which is something that I've learned in my coaching and positive psychology, where I want to help people to use journaling to deal with specific emotional issues, like different ones. So, for instance, if you are dealing with self worth issues, then I will be doing journaling on self worth issues and I'll be selling prompt packs that deal with that. And then, if you are dealing with anxiety, for instance, um, boundaries, not setting your boundaries properly, that sort of thing, anything and everything. There's even a module that I'm planning on how do you look after your money? What decisions do you make emotionally about money? So that's something that I want to bring in future. Basically, journaling through for emotional restoration on different issues. Those are the things that remain the same. What's changing? Portal House is where everything comes together. I'm talking about the website. I want to do AI courses, free AI courses for people. For the people that are scared of AI, believe it or not, our older generation is exceptionally well suited to AI. Our brains is developed already and we can think for ourselves. And with AI then as a companion thinker through issues, um, it becomes a magnificent tool that you can use and not need to be scared of at all. But that's something that goes under the Portal House website, not necessarily this junk journaling channel. Um, I'm also going to be creating printables, junk journal printables that I will sell, um, emotional restoration packs, which will include prompts, but it will also include meditations that you can use to um, tell your subconscious new truths and ask your subconscious to work with you. It's difficult to talk about this without going into the whole spiel, but this video is not about the whole spiel. This video is about just introducing portalhouse.co. Um, I want to create tips and tricks videos like I used to do in the past for people with small channels. There's a lot of things that people are doing that are harming their channels, and I want to concentrate on that again. I'm not sure of how to do it, whether I need to do it as a separate channel or whether I must do it. It kind of dilutes the junk journaling channel, if you will. So I am considering of possibly doing it on a different channel, but I don't really want to run multiple channels. Either way. I'm also looking towards things like deep conversations with AI, like all the things that nobody wants to ask. Um, get them asked and see what AI says about that. But those are just interesting things. And then I have a thing planned where I want to help people earn money in a post AI world. When AI took all the jobs and there's no jobs anymore, I have plans for how people can earn money in that time. And I'm trying to create the platform that will eventually help people with that. Saving humanity. Right. Um, so, yeah, I just wanted to make a short video to say I'm back. This channel is about journaling and, junk journals and journaling and creating journals and everything that goes hand in hand with that. And then also the emotional restoration side. Everything else lives under the Portal House umbrella, but on the website. And I might have future YouTube channels to link in with that. So do keep an eye out on my website for new things as I develop it. The vision is bigger than I am, and it does scare me. But I also heard if your dream doesn't scare you, you're not dreaming big enough. So these are things that I dream towards. I have no idea if I'll be able to create it, but I'm giving the first step. I'm making the first step. I'm stepping out and I'm going to try to do it. So if you're here to learn about journaling and everything journal related, you're in the right place. I aim to bring content that you've not seen before or angles of things that you have not seen before. I do not plan on just rehashing other people's content. So where credit is due, I will obviously give credit, but I'm planning on bringing you new tutorials, new things you haven't seen before. Thank you, everybody. Have a lovely day.